learners. Welcome to the session where we dive into the world of forensic accounting. Today we will be discussing about history of forensic accounting. I am Dr. Twisha Shah, your trainer. Let's begin with today's session. Today we are going to talk about the history and evolution of forensic accounting, key roles and responsibilities of forensic accountant, application of forensic accountant, and a summary. Let's get started. Forensic accounting has a long and fascinating history that intervenes with the development of accounting, fraud detection, and legal systems. Here is an overview of its evolution. Forensic accounting has roots dating back to ancient Egypt, where auditors were used by pharaohs to keep track of royal assets. Roman used detailed accounting systems to manage public funds with quaestors, tasked with investigating and preventing embezzlement. The term forensic accounting itself was first used in 1940s by Maurice E. Palobet, a partner of a New York accounting firm. Forensic accounting gained prominence in 20th century, especially during the 1930s and 40s with the famous cases like the investigation of Al Capone, where the accountants played a crucial role in his conviction for tax evasion. Mr. Frank John Wilson played a vital role in developing many of the investigative techniques that form the foundation of forensic accounting today. Al Capone was an infamous gangster. He was convicted not for the murder or any smuggling, but yes, he was being convicted for tax evasion. Frank J. Wilson's meticulous review of Capone's financial record revealed unreported income amounting to $250,080.48. This case marks the birth of modern forensic accounting and established its importance in criminal investigation. Today, it's essential in combating financial crimes like fraud, embezzlement, and money laundering, employing with advanced techniques and technology to uncover complex financial discrepancies. After discussing the ancient beginnings, let us see towards the medieval period. By 13th century, European court began relying on accountants to resolve financial disputes and excess damage. This concept of independent record keeping emerged to ensure accuracy. By the 19th century was a milestone. In 1817, the first recorded case of accountant serving as an expert witness in the court marked a turning point in the formation of forensic accounting. 20th century was an expansion. The profession gained traction in 1940s and 1950s, especially in response to corporate fraud and financial scandals. Forensic accounting began to integrate accounting, investigative techniques, and legal knowledge, becoming essential in litigation support, bankruptcy cases, and yes, for the fraud detection. Talking about the 21st century and beyond, this was the rise of digital finance and cybercrime. As the expansion of the scope of forensic accounting increased, which includes data analyst, blockchain investigations, and cybersecurity audit. Today, these accountants work across all the sectors, from the corporate compliance and insurance claim to criminal investigation and anti money laundering efforts. Forensic accounting has evolved from simple fraud detection to a sophisticated discipline integrating data analysis and behavioral insights. Its roots in the Al Capone investigation remind us that even the most powerful individual can be held accountable through the precision of forensic evidence. Since then, this discipline has evolved from early fraud detection in tax cases to the use of technology driven forensic analysis and what we see today. Now, let's talk about the role and responsibility of forensic accountants. In 2008, after recognizing the need for a credential in forensic accounting beyond the widely recognized Certified Fraud Examiner, that is CFE designation, given by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, that is AICPA, announce this as a new credential for those CPAs who focus on forensic accounting and litigation support. The credential certified in financial forensic, that is CFF, became effective in September 2010, and the AICPA defined the field of forensic accounting to include fundamental basics of knowledge along with a specific practice area or application for forensic accounting. A forensic accountant is often retained to analyze, interpret, and summarize the present complex financial and business information that is understandable and adequately supported. Forensic accounting is sometimes called fraud examination accounting also. The two main categories are investigation and dispute resolution, and second, litigation support. These accountant work involves in several fields, keeping several responsibilities ahead. Let us see all the roles which an accountant usually follow. Investigating and analyzing financial evidences from all those balance sheets and data sheets. They even develop computerized application for analysis and presentation. They even prepare the reports and exhibits and document them. They assist in legal proceedings and testifying as an expert witness. They prepare visual aids to support the legal evidences at the trial. They also advise and work as an advisory service and document identification. They also are well versed in preparation and reviewing the reports and providing the brief and expert suggestions. Their work expands to environmental and occupational fraud investigation as well. They even have fraud risk assessment, information security risk assessment, and asset tracking. They are well versed in vendor monitoring and litigation support. Their work involves in many areas like they investigate financial evidence, develop analytical tools, and prepare reports or exhibits that help in legal and investigative processes. They often assist during court proceedings, not only by providing the expert testimony, but yes, by preparing the visual aids that will simplify the complicated financial matter for the judge and jury. They effectively perform their duties as a forensic accountant are very well versed in legal concepts and courtroom procedures. They must be also able to look beyond the formal structure of transactions and that focuses on the substance over the form to detect any manipulation or concealment of the facts. Forensic accountants can be engaged for a variety of specialized functions and are hired for so. such as advisory and analytical support, identification of key documents, fraud detection and risk assessment, due diligence for mergers and acquisitions, information security and environmental accounting, asset tracing, vendor monitoring, and litigation support. In essence, a forensic accountant bridges the gap between finance and law, ensuring that financial truth supports the justice. Let's look towards the application for forensic accounting. There are various applications of forensic accounting that can take place. Here are some of the most common examples. Number 1, business fraud investigation. The accountant strategizes the intelligence measures and identify offenders. These investigations require a detailed review of the document. Business investigation comprise asset identification, asset recovery, due diligence reviews, tracing misappropriation, forensic intelligence, and suspect interviews. Second, for tax fraud. Forensic expert identify such tax evasions. Businesses and individuals often falsify income and other financial information to reduce tax liabilities. Third, for securities fraud. Forensic expert assist in detecting such security frauds like misrepresentation of investment, commodities, and stocks in the most common white collar crime. Late day trading, pump and dump scheme, pyramid scheme, and Ponzi schemes are the felonies. Fourth, asset misappropriation or hidden assets. Forensic experts will detect the asset misappropriations like property theft, embezzlement, and payroll fraud. Individuals and companies often hide assets from tax authority and other regulatory bodies. Fifth, in partnership and shareholding dispute. The investigation involves detailed scrutiny of accounting and financial records to quantify the issues brought out in the conflict. Forensic expert also examines compensations and benefits received by the shareholders or partners. Sixth, for insurance claim. They review insurance policies, coverage issues, claim settlements, and calculation of potential losses. On behalf of insurance companies and policyholder, they investigate property loss, business loss, employee fidelity claims, and similar lawsuits. Forensic experts quantify economic damages in even vehicular accidents and medical negligence cases. Seventh, economic losses and bankruptcy. The expert will be probed into the terms and conditions of the circumstances leading up to the disputes. They quantify the losses. In addition, they carry out recovery procedure in bankruptcy cases. Business losses typically include breach of contract, construction claims, trademark infringement, patent infringement, product liability claim, and non-compensated agreement breaches. Eighth, in case of money laundering. Usually, money laundering is the concealment of the origin of the illegally obtained money, typically through transfers involving foreign banks or legitimate businesses. Forensic professionals identify this illegitimate source of money, money laundering practices, and undisclosed bank accounts. Ninth, in matrimonial cases like divorce proceedings and marital and family disputes. For family and property disputes, forensic accountants will execute property distribution. After quantifying losses, accountants will assess financial compensation for divorces, property, and family dispute. They will quantify the payment for alimony and child support. The forensic accountant being retained to examine the financial statements and disclosures of public traded and privately held entities and organizations to determine whether the financial statements correctly reported the balances, results, and required disclosures. 10th, these forensic accountants are called upon to calculate losses in many contexts, including lost earnings, lost profits, lost businesses, and the physical loss of property in cases of any accidental or natural calamities like fire, flood, theft, and so on. I would like to summarize my session. Forensic accounting has continuously evolved from ancient to modern technology. Forensic accounting stands as a vital discipline for combating financial crimes like fraud, embezzlement, and money laundering. With the integration of modern technology and data analytics, forensic accountants can now trace complex financial transactions and uncover hidden irregularities with precision. A forensic accountant bridges the gap between finance and law, ensuring that truth supports the justice. Forensic accountants perform multiple roles and can be engaged for a variety of specialized functions. I would like to end the session with a small quote by Sophocles. Rather fail with honor than succeed by fraud. I hope this session would be fruitful for you. Let's meet in the next session. Till then, happy learning.